Introducing Compreli. A pioneer in fabric and garment repairing, have saved 10 million garments since its humble beginning in 2018. The garments we saved is equivalent to conserving 100,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide, 5 billion gallons of water, 300,000 megawatts of electricity and 100,000 metric tons of waste, while providing employment to people with less economic opportunity. The apparel industry is under increasing regulatory pressure to address its environmental impact. For example, the European Union's Corporate Sustainability Due Diligence Directive seeks to hold fashion brands accountable for adverse social and environmental impacts both within their operations and across their supply chains. If such impacts are identified in the manufacturing process, brands may be required to suspend business relationships with suppliers and even face civil liability if they fail to mitigate, resolve, or minimize these adverse effects on human rights or the environment. Suppliers should be mindful of this potential risk. We have an opportunity to turn this challenge into an advantage. By leading efforts to reduce environmental impact, we can position ourselves as the most sustainable supply chain partner and manufacturing destination for fashion brands. A collaborative approach involving multiple stakeholders across various sectors is imperative for a successful transition. Unlike traditional linear business models, embracing a circular economy requires a systemic change that involves not only rethinking product design and manufacturing but also reshaping supply chains, consumption patterns, and waste management practices. Compreli is committed to contributing to a more circular economy, helping our customers and partners achieve their sustainability targets by minimizing waste through the repair of damaged garments, while also creating a positive impact on our people and the planet. Compreli is able to restore off-shade garments, garments with cut marks or holes, and remove stains, plus so many other defects. Manufacturers who have adopted our program had tremendous success in terms of reducing impact to the environment and increase in hard savings. Our services are used by 6 out of the 10 largest apparel manufacturers in the region and some of the top-tier brands. We are bold enough to say that our technicians can recover defective garments better than anyone, anywhere in the world. Let us do few samples for your company to demonstrate our competence.